Okay, once you've got your clips in the timeline, and you'll have multiple clips, so I'll just add another clip real quick here. Here's an input and say output, and we'll just drag that in. You can see you can drag your clips in here, and you can organize them in any order you like. There's no right or wrong with them. You can just drag them around to do that. But each clip is going to need a title. And to do that, it's pretty simple. You just go up to title at the top here. You choose new title, and for this we're going to go default still. We're going to give it the name of the type of shot it is because you've got your shot list. So we'll say this is a long shot, so LS for long shot, and we'll hit OK. And another window will pop open, and this is our title editing window. And so you can see I've got a number of tools in here, and I'll just show you a couple of them. If I click here with the text tool, I can type in long shot, and that's kind of big. So if I select this text, I can just double click that to do that. Then I can change the font size over here. So anything in the yellow over here is something that you can drag. You can drag out and you can change the position of your text, the size of your text. You can change the type of font. You can change all sorts of things. You can change the color. It's entirely up to you what you want to do with it. There's no real right or wrong. And then, of course, down here, there's also predefined text styles that you can use, and they're very easy to use. If you just double click on them, it'll change that text into that particular style, as you can see. So once you've got your text in place, you can take your move tool and move it around if you need to. If it doesn't quite stand out, what you can do is you can create a shape to go behind it, and if you right click on that, you can go to arrange and you can move it back, and you can even change the color of this if we wanted. Let's see here. And of course we can change the transparency of this as well, so we can see through it a little bit. And if I click on my move tool, I can drag this out. And there we go. We've got a nice box for our text to sit in. It makes it stand out quite a bit. And if we're done with this, all we do is we close this window. Now you might be thinking, well, where does the text go? Well, actually it goes right up here in your bin, and all you have to do then is select it by clicking and dragging it. Just drag it into your timeline and drag it over top of the clip that you want it to be on. And as you can see in the finished product window, there it is. Now the problem with this is, as you can see, the clip is really short. So if you mouse over to the end of the clip, your cursor changes into this little bar with two arrows. If you click and drag that out, you can click and drag it out for the same length as your clip. And in that way, your title will be there for the entire time. So you're going to do this for each clip, and so you'll have a bunch of different titles up here in the bin, and you'll just drag them in over top of your shots. That's it.